Hey guys, it's Tech Racer and today to unbox a trimmer from MI or Xiaomi, you can say. Now actually I don't remember the model number, so this is the one MI XXQ02HM 60 minutes trimmer. So it has again a different variant which is like 90 minutes or 120 minutes runtime wala trimmer. This is the 60 minutes one, so we'll unbox it and see how does it perform. Basically it has 40 different adjustment level as it is promised by Xiaomi. So let's quickly like unbox this trimmer and see how does it work and how's the build quality. So let's quickly open the seal. Well, I'll not flip the box because it contains my address from that side. So let's quickly open the box. So and I ordered it from Flipkart, as you can see. So yeah. So yeah, this is what we get. So this is the bill, so I'll keep it aside. And in the sale, as you have seen the price, it's for the same that I got the trimmer for. So Mi Beard Trimmer 1C, nothing else inside the box. So this is the box of trimmer. So Mi Beard Trimmer 1C. So we at the back we have some specifications. So net quantity and the price quoted at the back side is 1199, but you can get it pretty cheaply in the sales as well. So let's quickly open the box. So I'll just open it from the top. So this is the 60 minutes one. It's also available in 90 minutes or in like. So I'll just take it out from the box. So we do have documentation over here, I guess. So yeah, nothing else inside this box. So this is the small user manual. So you can simply go through it for the first time if you don't know the adjustments. So yeah, this is how it works. So I'll keep it aside for a time being. So this is how the packaging is. So let's quickly take out this one first. So this is the micro USB cable for charging the trimmer. So the quality is pretty good. Okay, then we do get a pouch for like carrying it around. So that's pretty nice thing. And we do have a cleaning comb as well. So we can quickly clean the teeth of the trimmer. And this is the nice quality pouch for carrying it around. So again, that's pretty nice thing. So again, a good efforts from Xiaomi. And this is a trimmer itself. Nothing else inside this box. So I'll keep it aside. This is our trimmer. So I'll just take it out. Okay, so initial impressions, the trimmer looks quite nice. As you can see, we do get a matte plastic body over here, but the quality of the plastic is really very good, as you can see. So let's quickly take a physical overview of the trimmer. So this is the dial for adjustment of the blades, as you can see. It's coming upwards, so as I am rotating. So this is how it works. For the adjustment of the length of your hairs, then we can technically remove this. So this is how we can remove. So you can directly, like if you want to directly trim at the 0 level, so you can simply remove this comb. And the quality of the plastic is really very good. So this is the button, as you can see, it has turned on. So one tap turn on, one tap turn off. And this is there are 3 LED indicators which shows the actual percentage of the battery inside it. So currently it's full charge. At the back side we have a small port for charging this device. So this micro USB cable goes over here for charging the trimmer. So that's pretty nice thing. Overall the build quality of the trimmer is really very good. So we can simply adjust the length of the hair from here. So that's pretty nice thing. And overall the quality of the trimmer is really very good. So we can simply hold it and turn on the child lock mode, as you can see. Now the trimmer won't turn on unless we turn off the child mode. So that's how it works. So again, we have to simply hold this button so they can turn off the child mode. As you can see, it turned on. We can turn it off. So yeah, the quality of the trimmer is pretty good. For the price of like 900 or even 1000, it's like good. So we can't complain much because we get a 60 minutes of runtime. Then we do get good quality of plastic and overall build of the trimmer. So that's pretty nice thing. And I really like the comb. The quality of the comb is really very good and feels quite sturdy, and it does have some heft and weight of itself. So yeah, it does give that good grip and feel while we like trim our facial hairs. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button and stay tuned for more such videos. So thanks for watching.